Well, we're out here at the Hot Wheels Legends tour at the Phoenix stop. Let's check out some of the cool cars here today.
So, this big old yellow monster truck,
oh, it is on. Oh, look at that lead sled. Yeah. Jeez. And another 6 slam truck here. Dang. Check out the 69 Nova. Man, look at that blower on that. Woo. Yeah. Now here we go with some of the actual like hot rod cars. Check that out. Now that is totally unique. Here's another one. Look at that. Look at those huge blowers right in the, it's like right in the line of sight, but man, that is so cool. The Gas Monkey Garage Corvette out here. Another Hot Wheels car. Real life Hot Wheels cars. And check out some more of these. Look at the grill on that car. Yeah, just look at that. That is really cool, huh? Yeah, one more look at that. Look at this unique car. It's actually a 3-wheeler. Here's this bug. We've actually seen this before at Good Guys. There you go. Here's some nice hauled hot rods. Cool mini trucks. Got a couple dragsters here. Check that out. Oh, that's a cool bug, huh? There you go. There's a cool Datsun. Check out these. Look at this old race car. Check this out.
They gotta put the safety belt.
Check this one out. Man, right on.
I like it.
Check out this Edsel parked next to that dune buggy. Man, that is totally cool. We've got an RX-7 out here. NSX and a Honda S2000. Cool. Check that out. Clear hood on that one. That's cool. Check that out. Right-hand drive. That's cool. Check out how cool these are. Look at this old radio, like a radio flyer custom hot rod. How cool is that? Really wish they wouldn't have the music blasting, but not much we could do about that, I guess, huh? Check out the little Hot Wheels collection they have here. That's pretty cool, huh? We got a bunch more over here. Now back to some hot rods. There we go. Look at that. Check this out. The VW thing is here. out way out here, way far away. I guess these are cars that didn't get into the show, but look at these cars. These are the ones we actually saw pulling in. We saw this one at Good Guys. Look at it, right over here too, an old Herbie. Little bus chilling here. And look at this, what's pulling in. GT500 KR. Yes, what a beauty. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Ferrari pulling out. Look at that rat rod. Check out the donk. Yeah. Oh yeah, putting that roof down. Look at the GTS Viper. Check out that. There's so many cool cars out here today. We got I-8 pulling in. Oh man, listen to that. Oh yeah.
I look at it, I'm like, what?
Check that out. That's sick. Check out those couple cars chilling there. Here's another look at that hearse. And that is cool.
I like that, sir. You know, curve like gas.
And check out this Cobra and a 911 Carrera GTS. There's a little different collection of cars there. Bel Air, Camaro, Porsche. Check out that Bronco. Nice.
That guy was
Shelby GTE3.
sick.
Check out that bike. Oh, look at this, pulling into here.
Look in here.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Corvette's rolling through. Check out the mystery machine. Another I-8 pulling in. Check out the like off-road Corvette. Check it out. Fast and Furious. That's cool. Ah, come on, Cobra. Gotta make some adjustments. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Here comes Herbie again. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, leave a like.